In this video, let's take a few trades with Alpha One Auto Trader. It's a free binary option robot that you also get started completely free with. You find link about the video at X and link below the video at YouTube. Also make sure you use the promo code Alpha150. I will leave that also both up and down. So you can get 150% on your first deposit. So make your first deposit count. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video, just like this one. So, we are now going to take a couple of trades. I have set a $200 each trade, 5 steps martingale. Let's use the A1 sniper trend, and let's take probably 3-4 trades. And let's see how we do this morning. So now let's start the bot. So we have now started the bot. He will now start to go through the chart. He will look through all the indicators that is in this A1 sniper trend. Let's see. The first trade we can see was a draw. So that's not what we want, but it's okay. He take a new trade now. The first trade he lost. He did take 2 trades. Sometimes he do that when he sees something good. He jump in with 2 trades. But then also now he will probably take 2 trades and fix these 2 losing trades. So you can see we have taken now 4 trades, 1 win, 2 losses. It says 1 win and 2 losses is because the first trade was a draw. So now he's looking for more opportunities. So while we are waiting, if you have any questions about this bot, make sure you put them in the comment field. You can do that both in X and in YouTube. I reply to every single question you should have about this bot. Okay, so we can see now things are changing. We have now a 50% win rate. So we have 3 wins and 3 losses and 1 draw. So that is 7 trades. We are now at 57. So let's take 1 more trade so we get a little better win rate. Hopefully. Let's see. I will stop the bot after next trade now. He's taking it right now. Let's see if it's a 1 or 2 trades he do now. It depends on things, and I think that's a good one. We got 6 wins, 3 losses and 1 draw. That is pretty darn amazing. So, and a 6-7 again win rate. That is amazing in my book. So if you want this binary option robot, again, link about the video at X and link below the video at YouTube. And also make sure you use the promo code and make the first deposit count. Is 150% on the first deposit. So make sure you use the promo code that you also find above the video at X and below the video at YouTube. So with that, have an amazing day, and I'll see you on the next.